Hey guys, today we are doing an unboxing of iPhone 14 Pro Max. I just purchased this off the Apple Store here in Dallas, Texas, and as you can see, this is the box from the outside, the barcode, and the sticker right here that just because it was an online order, so probably that's what this one for. But this does have my name on it. So overall, this is the box, pretty compact. Nothing fancy, just serves the purpose. On the side says iPhone, the Apple logo here in the back, in the front. So this one is a 512 um, gigabytes in space gray, space black or space gray, what they call it. So right here it says that it includes iPhone 14 Pro Max and a USB-C to Lightning cable, power adapter, and headphones are sold separately. So that was something new to me when I, because usually in the older models the power adapter used to come with the phone, but not anymore. So let's do open the box. I actually so this is an eSIM uh, cell phone. So another, I was not aware of that. So I purchased it. I took it to my carrier on the way home, and I paid about 11 bucks and had it activated on the number without having a SIM. So I gave the person over there the phone to, and he used the IMEI number of the box, and he did turn it on and did the activation through Wi-Fi, and it started working. I planned on unboxing it completely off the scratch, not open it up for the video, but I had to open it up to activate it. So, but anyway, so let's see what's in the box. All right. So once you open it up, the phone is usually, I believe, sits just like this, because if you see right here, that's where the cameras go. So I think if you go, yep, that's how it's a perfect fit. So let's open it up. And so this is the space gray model iPhone 14 Pro Max with 512 GB memory. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. So there's no same jacket anymore. It used to be right here, but now it's some kind of there's something here, but it's not a SIM jacket anymore. So that's probably where the eSIM is. Antenna bar right at the top, the front camera, the volume buttons right here, the mute. You can see here now. So that's the mute. Pretty much same as previous models. The same double screws at the bottom with the USB-C charging speaker and microphone. And so yeah, that's how it is. In the back, you can see that this texture is a translucent kind of a feel to it, translucent glass, even though you can't see inside. But and there's the shiny Apple logo in here, three cameras. So the difference between Pro Max and iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I believe iPhone 14 Plus or Pro, is that they are the dual cameras, and the Pro Max is the only one that come with three cameras. So three cameras right here with a flash, shiny Apple logo in the back, in a nice you know translucent kind of a back. So let's see. So anyway, before we get to that, let's see what else in the box. This is the USB-C to Lightning cable, and these are You no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. Oh, that's all this piece of paper says. This one has before using your iPhone, review this guide, safety and handling, exposure to radio frequency, the battery and charging, some lasers, and 1 year limited warranty summary, and that's about it. And lastly, the famous Apple logo sticker. Uh, one of this sticker in the packaging as well. So this goes all into this small compact holder for these this paper and sticker. Other than that, that's pretty much it. And now let's get to the phone. So like I said, I did open it up, have activated it. So previously my phone, I had an iPhone 10s and that did not have a 5G. So this one does have a 5G. Yeah, it says at the top. Um, you can see pretty fast, pretty smooth animation, and it's bright. It's crystal clear. The display is just amazing. So it's a good screen size. Gradually screen sizes have been getting bigger and bigger. I wasn't a fan of Pro Max kind of a screen size or Plus kind of a plus versions of the phone screen sizes, but lately I've been using, like I said, iPhone 10s, and I have another 6.7-inch screen Android phone, and now you don't feel as much that they are big screen phones. So this one is 6.7 inch of screen. I believe there are two iPhone 14 models that are 6.7, and the other two are either 6.1 or 6.4. So this one is 6.7 inch diagonally screen size with three cameras. So I hope you like the video, and if you have any questions, just let me know. And I believe let's pack it all up, and let's see you in the next video. Thank you.